Hey, Grant here. Big message to you. If you have cash in the banks, I'm in Fiji today. Beautiful place here. Okay, gorgeous. I can't wait to get in those mountains. We're going to a private island tomorrow, and it's going to be amazing. I'll be shooting some video and some live stuff from you for there. But first, I want to tell you about the bond market today, okay? It's rolling over. That means the banks are going to pay you nothing, literally nothing. They're already paying you nothing now. You should be screaming at the bank right now. You should be calling, why are you paying me nothing? Because they can't pay you anything. You need your cash in real assets that produce cash flow. Get recession proof right now. The way to be recession proof is to have your money invested in real estate that is backed by rental leases. Listen to me, America is one of the only countries on the planet that offer this type of product. That is large apartment complexes, units. The number of units is the most important thing. I control 6,000 units today that produce cash flow. Get your money invested as quickly as possible out of the banks, out of cash accounts, out of ETFs, out of mutual funds. Yes, I'm telling you, I'm either really, really right or I'm really, really wrong. And I have no reason to be wrong on this, okay? The banks have not been paying you for years. For years they haven't paid you. Just look at your accounts. Look at your savings account. Look at your CDs. They're paying you nothing. You could put money in a 10-year treasury today and earn under 2%. I think it's 1.6% on your money. 1.6, and you'd have to lock it up for 10 years. That same money at Cardone Capital is going to earn you 5 to 6% per year. And then by the time we sell, your money will be worth 15% annualized. You will have a 15% annualized return if everything goes according to plan, or it could do better than that. $1 million should produce about $60,000 a year, $5,000 a month, and $1 million when returned to you should be worth $2 million, if not $3 million. Again, I can't promise any of this. I can tell you this. All my money is invested in real assets, not cash. I don't keep cash. I am not invested in ETFs. I am not invested in mutual funds. I am invested in real assets, concrete, glass, rental properties, acres of land with property on top that produce cash flow for me, my family, my friends, and you can be involved in that. The website's CardoneCapital.com, okay? Check it out, see what we're doing, okay? I have people that have given me $9 million at a time, $8 million, $7 million, $6 million. A dentist gave us $1 million this morning. This is happening. I've created something that nobody else has ever created, a way for everyday people to invest in institutional properties. Now, I'm not just saying they're institutional properties. A lot of people throw that word around. These are institutional grade quality products. Okay, large complexes, $90 million, $140 million complexes, $60 million, $70 million complexes in great locations, great jobs supporting them, great leases behind the rental properties. We manage them, we buy them, we fund them. I fund them with my money. I get the debt on it. I sign for the debt. We manage the property. We do all 5 things that most people can't do. And the most important thing we do is we find the property, okay? And we know how to buy them, and we know how to get rid of them when necessary. So when do we get rid of them? We get rid of them when we can double and triple the equity in the deal. So if we put $40 million in the deal, let's say 2 of us put in $40 million. I'm not selling that deal until I get my $40 million back and another $40 million. And we got cash flow while we wait. Cash flow, by the way, let's see, that would be like 80 times the rate you're being paid at the bank right now. 80 times, okay? If all you got was the cash flow, it'd be 50 times what the bank is paying you right now. So look, get your cash out of the banks, get it out of ETFs, get it out of mutual funds. This is gonna continue, it's gonna roll over into the stock market. Stock market's down 800 points today. It was down 300 points yesterday. It's gonna continue to do this, go up and down like this. My real estate does not do that. It just provides cash flow for long periods of time, until at which point we sell or we refinance the property and return everybody their money back. CardoneCapital.com is the website. We're about this far from being filled on our current funds. Once that's closed, then it's over, okay? It's open for accredited and non-accredited investors. And I can tell you, the accredited investors that have done their research are putting millions of dollars into this. So if you're a non-accredited investor, this is a way for you to actually invest alongside with accredited investors and get unbelievable returns on phenomenal, unbelievable, institutional quality grade investments. CardoneCapital.com. My name's Grant Cardone, and I will never let you down.